In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable two-step verification on your Google account. You can simply enable two-factor authentication to your Gmail account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Gmail. On this page, tap on these three lines. Then scroll down to the Settings option. On the Settings page, click on this first option and head into your Info, Privacy, and Security. You will then slide to the section of Security. On how you sign into Google, select the first option of two-step verification. Navigate to the very end and tap on Get Started. You will then enter your password to proceed. Make sure to enable all your trusted devices and then click on Continue. Your phone number should be active because that's where you will receive your G-code. You can either select text message or a phone call, then tap on Send. A code will be sent and you will just have to enter it for the two-step verification to get enabled. When activated, you will also be required to first verify if it's you when you want to log into your Google account with a new device. You can remove the two-step verification at any time. That's how easy it is to turn on two-step verification to your Gmail account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.